Every morning, your body wakes up programmed to do one of two things: burn fat or store more of it. And the shocking truth is that most people unknowingly start their day in a way that forces their body into fat storage mode, especially around the most dangerous type of fat, visceral fat, the deep internal fat that wraps around your liver, pancreas, intestines, and every major organ that keeps you alive. This is the fat that ages you faster, slows your metabolism, blocks hormones, disrupts energy, increases inflammation, and quietly builds diseases long before any symptoms appear. Yet almost no one realizes that the first 20 minutes of the morning decide whether visceral fat shrinks or expands. There is a hidden biological window when your metabolism is at its most sensitive point. It opens the moment you wake up and closes fast. What you do inside this window has the power to activate metabolic pathways that are dormant throughout the rest of the day. If you understand how to use this window, you can force your body, regardless of age, weight, or metabolism, to start burning visceral fat automatically. Visceral fat is not the same as the fat under your skin. It reacts differently, behaves differently, and demands a different strategy to break down. Many people diet, exercise, or restrict calories, yet their belly never shrinks because these methods do not target visceral fat biochemistry. Visceral fat is hormonally active. It responds to stress, sleep, thyroid signals, cortisol spikes, insulin fluctuations, and inflammation. You cannot simply work it off. You must force it into metabolic submission. And this is exactly what the right morning routine does. By aligning your actions with your body's natural hormonal rhythm, you create a cascade: cortisol modulation, insulin control, mitochondrial activation, metabolic flexing, lymphatic drainage, thermal response, each step pushing the body from slow storage mode into fast burning mode. Consider what most people do upon waking. They reach for their phone, shake themselves into stress, skip hydration, eat sugary breakfasts, delay movement, overload their system with caffeine on an empty stomach, and trigger a cortisol insulin spike that switches off fat burning for the entire morning. This single error keeps visceral fat locked in place no matter how well you eat later in the day. Now imagine doing the opposite, activating the body's natural fat-burning mechanisms before you even eat your first meal. Imagine waking up and immediately signaling your body to lower inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, oxygenate tissues, activate brown fat, push your metabolic rate upward, and shift your hormonal balance from storage to release. When you follow the right steps, you turn your morning into a metabolic accelerator. This morning routine is not extreme, not exhausting, and not complicated. It requires no equipment, no supplements, no gym, and no special diet, but it does require consistency, intention, and understanding of why each step works. Because when each action builds on the last, you create a chain reaction that forces visceral fat to break down. Think of your metabolism as a fire. Overnight, this fire burns low. The embers are still there, glowing faintly but fragile. You can either smother them by feeding them the wrong material, or you can strike the exact combination of oxygen, heat, and fuel to ignite a stronger flame. The morning routine you're about to learn is designed to strike that spark in the fastest way possible. It begins by waking the mitochondria, the energy factories inside every cell. When you activate them early in the morning, you increase the rate at which your body burns calories for the rest of the day, even while sitting, working, or resting. This creates a compounding metabolic advantage. Burn more without trying. The next step targets insulin sensitivity. The more sensitive your cells are to insulin, the faster and more efficiently you burn fats. Visceral fat thrives when insulin levels stay high. But your morning routine can drop insulin naturally, making the body immediately shift to fat-burning mode. Then comes circulation and lymph flow. Visceral fat is fed by stagnant circulation and trapped fluids that create inflammation. When blood flow increases and lymphatic channels open, your body becomes more efficient at transporting stored fat to the liver, where it is burned as energy. Finally, the routine ends with metabolic activation. teaching your body to prefer fat as a fuel rather than sugar. This single shift is life-changing. When your body becomes fat-adapted, visceral fat starts melting because the body chooses it as a priority energy source. You may not realize it now, but your body is far more capable of rapid change than you think. The human metabolism is responsive. It adapts quickly when given the right cues. Within just a few days of practicing this morning routine, people notice lighter digestion, reduced bloating, a flatter midsection, sharper mental focus, more stable energy, better sleep cycles, and a visible reduction in waist tightness. Over weeks, visceral fat begins to shrink from deep inside the abdomen. And with each month, you build a stronger metabolic foundation that protects your organs, improves longevity, increases mobility, and elevates your entire quality of life. This is not about starving the body, it's about training the body. It's about using biology to your advantage. It's about waking up every morning and telling your metabolism exactly what to do. When you treat your morning like the most important metabolic moment of the day, everything changes. From how you burn calories, to how you store fat, to how much energy you feel, to how strongly your body protects you against disease. Today, you are going to unlock that routine. Today, you are going to learn how to force your body into visceral fat-burning mode from the moment you open your eyes. Not with shortcuts, not with guesswork, but with science, strategy, and daily practice. Because when you take control of your morning, you take control of your body. And when you take control of your body, visceral fat doesn't stand a chance. Visceral fat responds to hormonal patterns. Morning cortisol determines whether fat is stored or released. Hydration influences cellular metabolism. Movement activates glucose transporters that burn stored energy. Oxygenation elevates mitochondrial efficiency. Light exposure resets metabolic timing. When these elements align, the body becomes a fat-burning machine. The simplest movements can activate deep core musculature and increase thermogenesis. Gentle morning mobility reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. Small nutritional choices flatten insulin spikes and increase fat oxidation. This combination is what makes the routine work rapidly. Point. Hydrate immediately, warm water plus minerals. This wakes up digestion, liver function, lymph flow, and metabolic enzymes. 2. Light movement for 2 to 3 minutes. Gentle activation increases circulation and mitochondrial readiness. 3. Deep breathing for oxygenation. More oxygen equal to more fat oxidation. 4. Natural morning light exposure resets metabolic hormones and lowers cortisol. 5. Fasted metabolic activation. Delay breakfast 60 to 90 minutes to keep insulin low and fat burning active. 6. Protein-rich first meal stabilizes glucose, reduces cravings, and prevents fat storage. 7. 5-minute core activation signals the body to draw fuel from stored abdominal fat. Your body is ready for transformation, but it needs you to take the first step every morning. This routine is simple, powerful, and designed for real biological change. Follow it daily. Commit to it for a week, then a month. Watch your energy rise, your waist shrink, and your confidence return. You are not stuck with visceral fat. You are not limited by age, metabolism, or past habits. Your body is waiting for new instructions, and now you have them. Start tomorrow morning. Start with intention. Start with discipline. And watch how fast your body responds when you take control of the first minutes of your day. Every morning, a battle begins inside your body. A battle you cannot see, but one that determines how you feel, how you move, how your body ages, and how much visceral fat your cells hold on to. This invisible fat, wrapped tightly around your liver, your pancreas, your intestines, and your heart, is far more dangerous than the fat you can pinch with your fingers. While subcutaneous fat sits beneath the skin, visceral fat chemically interferes with essential functions your body depends on. It increases inflammation, pushes your hormones out of balance, disrupts your blood sugar, stiffens blood vessels, raises blood pressure, and quietly accelerates aging at the cellular level. And yet most people go through life unaware that every single morning offers a unique opportunity, a narrow metabolic window where your body can be instructed either to burn visceral fat or store more of it. The truth is that visceral fat does not respond to traditional weight loss strategies. It doesn't care how many sit-ups someone does, how little they eat, or how many hours they spend walking. Because visceral fat is hormonally active, it responds not to effort alone, but to biochemical signals. That means your body needs a specific sequence of hormonal triggers to start shrinking this internal fat. And those triggers happen most effectively in the morning, before your first meal, before stress interferes, before caffeine spikes your cortisol, before insulin gets stimulated, and before your daily routine overwhelms your metabolism. There is a moment, just minutes after waking, when your metabolism sits at a crossroads. Your mitochondria, the engines inside each cell, remain in a slow, dimmed state after the night's sleep. Your nervous system is transitioning from repair mode to action mode. Your cortisol is naturally rising, but not yet peaking. Your digestive system is waking up, but not yet processing anything. Your insulin levels are low, creating a rare and powerful opportunity to direct the body toward fat burning. And if you take advantage of this moment, if you send your body the right instructions, you can turn your metabolism into a relentless fat-burning system for the rest of the day. But the opposite is also true. If the wrong signals hit your body first thing in the morning, sugar, stress, dehydration, caffeine spikes, inflammation triggers, you flip a switch that locks your body into fat storage mode for hours. Many people unknowingly sabotage their metabolism the moment they open their eyes, and they spend the rest of the day fighting uphill against the effects of that early disruption. This is why a morning routine is not simply a habit, it is a biological command system. It is a way of communicating directly with your metabolism, your hormones, your cells, and your fat-burning machinery. When you follow the right sequence, you reshape the internal climate of your body. Cortisol becomes regulated instead of chaotic. Insulin becomes steady instead of spiking. Mitochondria turn on instead of staying sluggish. Inflammation decreases instead of rising. Fat oxidation increases instead of remaining dormant. Circulation improves instead of remaining stagnant. And with all of this working together, visceral fat finally begins to break down. Visceral fat is not stubborn because it is physically hard to reach. It is stubborn because it is metabolically resistant. It is protected by inflammatory molecules. It is fed by hormonal imbalances. It is strengthened by insulin spikes. It thrives when cortisol is too high. It multiplies when sleep is poor, when hydration is low, and when morning choices are wrong. But when you reverse each of these biochemical signals one by one, you weaken visceral fat's grip on your organs. You force it to release stored energy. You disrupt the cycle that keeps it growing. The morning routine you are about to learn is built on this principle. It was designed around how the human body naturally wakes, moves, heals, and uses fuel. It does not require extreme exercise. It does not demand starvation. It does not rely on supplements, powders, or pills. It uses your natural biology to ignite fat-burning pathways that are dormant during the rest of the day. Imagine your metabolism as a fire that needs oxygen, fuel, heat, and the right environment. Overnight, that fire simmers down. The embers glow faintly, silent, waiting, but they can either be smothered by the wrong morning choices or reignited into a strong, steady, powerful flame. Every choice you make within the first hour of waking either dampens or intensifies this flame. And once the flame grows, it burns through visceral fat at a much faster rate. Consider how most people start their day. They wake abruptly, stress their nervous system immediately, grab their phone, absorb information that spikes cortisol, delay hydration, breathe shallowly, rush into their routine, and then eat a breakfast that overwhelms their blood sugar. This combination triggers insulin, halts fat burning, increases inflammation, and locks visceral fat in place. Even healthy foods eaten at the wrong time can block fat burning for hours if the metabolic foundation isn't set correctly. Now imagine doing the opposite. Imagine opening your eyes and allowing your metabolism to wake naturally. Imagine hydrating your cells before anything else. Imagine activating your circulation, stimulating your lymphatic system, energizing your mitochondria, calming your cortisol, breathing deeply enough to oxygenate your tissues, creating insulin sensitivity, and telling your body, start burning fat now. This is how you flip the switch. A proper morning routine realigns your biological rhythm. It works with your circadian clock, the internal timing system responsible for hormones, metabolism, energy, digestion, and fat storage. When this clock is synchronized, everything becomes easier. You burn fat more efficiently, you digest more smoothly, you sleep deeper, you feel lighter, your energy becomes more stable, your cravings drop, your organs function better, and your longevity increases. When the clock is disrupted, fat accumulates, especially visceral fat. But the most incredible thing is how quickly your body responds. Within just 72 hours of following the right morning routine, many people feel more energetic, lighter in their midsection, less bloated, clearer mentally, and more in control of their appetite. Within a week, inflammation decreases and the waist begins to shrink. Within a month, visceral fat begins to melt from deep inside the abdominal cavity. And within several months, the entire metabolic landscape of the body changes. Hormones, energy levels, digestion, sleep cycles, immune strength, and even emotional resilience improve. This transformation does not come from luck. It comes from strategy, from choosing to treat the first moments of your day not as a background routine, but as the most powerful metabolic opportunity you have. Fat storage happens when your hormones are confused. Fat burning happens when your hormones are aligned. In the morning, your hormones are waiting for instructions, and your routine, hydration, breathing, movement, light exposure, timing of your first meal delivers those instructions clearly and immediately. You may not realize this yet, but your body is capable of transformation at any age. Even after years of weight gain, even after years of fatigue, even after years of metabolic slowdown, the systems inside you can be reactivated. Your metabolism is not broken, it is simply waiting for the correct input. And the morning is when that input is most powerful. Every choice you make in the morning compounds throughout the day. A slow morning creates a slow metabolism. A chaotic morning creates unstable hormones. But a strategically designed morning routine creates a metabolic rhythm that works in your favor all day long. You burn more calories without trying. You stabilize your energy without stimulants. You shrink inflammation without medication. You improve digestion without drastic diets. And you burn visceral fat because your body is finally receiving the right chemical signals. This is your moment to take control, to step into a new relationship with your body, to stop feeling trapped by visceral fat and instead understand the science that allows you to break free from it. Your morning determines your metabolism. Your metabolism determines your fat-burning ability, and your fat-burning ability determines your long-term health. Today, you will learn how to use your mornings like a metabolic weapon. Today, you will learn the sequence that reprograms your body to burn visceral fat naturally, consistently, and powerfully. This is your opportunity to change your internal landscape, strengthen your organs, and reclaim the health and energy you deserve. This is not magic. This is biology. This is the science of timing, rhythm, and metabolic activation. And the moment you understand it, your body begins to change.